Okay, so when the universe was first born, our mother goddess was actually blind. So her eye looked like this. But anything that gets in her eye became the beauty. So if this is us, kind of look like a sperm. Anyway, when we get inside her eye, we became part of the beauty. And we were tied down to these strings to make sure that she won't let us go. And so one thing she made sure that she does is to treat us equally, like how she treats, how the mother treats her kids equally. She gave same food, same candies, same toys, same everything to treat us equally. But however, what happened next was that we became so similar to each other, we couldn't identify ourselves. Like, we sometimes have this hallucination about ourselves, thinking that, well, I might be part of you, or you might be part of me. It's this community that our mother created was almost based on the concept of oneness. We felt like we are all part of one thing. And so we started getting worried that God may not be able to identify each one of us differently. So she might not give us enough attention, or the kind of attention that we need, or each one of us needs. And so we started fighting with each other, and we ended up killing each other, which was a horrible, horrible thing. And of course, God didn't like that. So she thought to create a different kind of world or universe for us. And there goes what we call Big Bang. After Big Bang, the God or the mother was no longer blind. Her eyes now look like this, just like our human eyes in our modern world today. So this is the second kind of world that she created for us, so that we will have more space, and also we will have the freedom to act like a particle or waves. Particle or waves. Waves might look like this, I don't know, but we have more freedom to express ourselves. And there goes our unique identity. Or I should say, as opposed to similarity, the focus became differences. And now we have unique identity. And now we can identify ourselves from others. And so what happened was that we stopped worrying that we may not be able to get enough attention from God or our mother. And we stopped fighting because we were sure that the mother or the God is bound to pay attention to each one of our unique identity. She just cannot ignore any one of us. So the world became more peaceful, and that's the story I created. By the way, Big Bang didn't just happen once. The scientists say there are many Big Bangs in the past. So what's happening is that our God or the Mother keeps having these Big Bangs to make sure that we stay in this world of freedom, the world of differences and unique identities, rather than the other one that I described earlier. And I like to think of this as communism versus democracy and capitalism. In addition, capitalism. Communism focuses on equal allocation of materials, of matter, whereas democracy focuses on equal rights, as in something that is the opposite of matter. So I would say energy, but something invisible. So matter, material on the left hand side, as opposed to energy or not too sure if it's, or maybe body versus mind. And yeah, that's it. What do you think?